The mission of the Horse Center is for teaching, research, community outreach, and for equestrian performance.
There's a ton of opportunities between teaching and research and just learning out here, which is great.
Always looking to improve things. We're in the process now of putting up a 20-stall barn out back behind the barn that's here now. They're working on the pad for that right now.
Like my break, I'd get done with class, like I'm like, oh, I can't wait to go to the barn.
Task right now is feeding the weanlings. They're so cute and they just run around the pastures and they get so excited to see.
About 50 to 55 horses on property, some that are just for equestrian performance, some that are just for teaching and research, and some that serve both purposes. So you'll see some days when you come out here we'll have practice going on and there'll be a class going on, or there might be a 4-H group out here.
We do basic horse care and maintenance around the farm, fixing fences, fixing broken boards, hay, feed, anything you can think of that's routine farm work, we do it. The most valuable experience is going to be your hands-on experience. You can sit in a classroom and learn all day long how to wrap a leg or how to give a horse medication, but until you actually do it, you don't really know what you're doing. So the horse unit is for that.